I can't believe it. I'm trying to find the words, but honestly I'm just overwhelmed. After a year and a half of silence, after endless nights staring at a screen that refused to give anything back, today, out of nowhere, I looked at my YouTube channel, the Speaker S Creator Hub, and there it was. Monetized. No warning, no explanation, just unlocked. And the craziest part, I didn't even reach the 4,000 watch hours. I have no idea how this happened. I'm just sitting here, looking at this green dollar sign, and I'm happy to the point that tears are literally falling down my face. Because I never, ever gave up. For a year and a half, I kept sending messages into the void. I emailed YouTube Legal. I contacted the YouTube team. I filled out every form and used every portal I could find. I wrote letters, pleaded my case, sent documentation, screenshots, timelines, anything I could think of to make them hear me. I just wanted someone to see that this channel, our community, deserved a chance. And now, after all that time, they did. It's so strange looking back. I remember in April of last year, we were getting 50,000 views a month, sometimes more. The channel was alive. It was breathing, growing, and feeding off the incredible energy of all of you. Then, just like that, it was gone. But I kept uploading. I kept creating. I kept believing that one day, things would turn around. I didn't know when, and I didn't know how, but I had to hold on to that hope. Maybe it was fate. Maybe someone in the legal department finally opened one of the 100 emails I sent. Or maybe it was just divine timing, that perfect moment when persistence finally meets mercy. All I know for sure is that this isn't just my victory. This is our victory. This is for every single one of you who stuck around, who watched, who commented, and who kept this channel alive in your own way. This feels like a new beginning, a fresh start. It feels like redemption. I am so incredibly grateful, and I'm so excited for what's next. Thank you for being on this journey with me. This is just the start of our next chapter. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart. If you're new here, consider subscribing, because things are about to get really exciting. Imagine this. You're on top of the world. Your YouTube channel is finally monetized after just 3.5 months of grinding. Hard work paying off, right? The views are climbing, the community is growing, and then, boom, silence. 1 month later, an email lands in my inbox. Demonetized for reuse content. My heart sank. I panicked. Without even reading the email properly, I deleted the flagged video. Big mistake. It was a 45-second clip from my own TikTok. They thought I'd stolen it. And just like that, my momentum died overnight. The money vanished. My view count plummeted. Last month, a measly 167 views. That reuse content flag haunted my channel for over a year and a half. The irony, I even contacted YouTube's own legal office. They confirmed it. They told me there was no reuse content, and my channel met the guidelines. They restored my advanced privileges, but that cursed flag remained, a digital ghost in the machine. I appealed, I messaged, I pushed ... and got nothing. Then, today, just like that, it's gone. So, here's the lesson I learned the hard way, the one I want to give to you. If you're starting a YouTube channel, please listen. Read the rules, read the guidelines, know them inside and out. It's not just about making great videos and connecting with your audience. You have to speak the language of YouTube, because that language decides your fate. And even then, it's a minefield. Reuse content can mean anything. Your audio is too low. Your intro is too similar to your outro. You used free music from YouTube's own library that got flagged anyway. It's wild, but it's real. The algorithm that recommends your videos is the same one hunting for mistakes, and it's far from perfect. So, what's the solution? You become meticulous. You document everything. Every video, title, tag, description, and keyword. You make everything as original as possible. You obsess over SEO, because ranking on Google is just as important as ranking on YouTube. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help, but they aren't a magic bullet. This game is tough for one person to handle, and I'm just one guy, juggling 4 channels. I even had a channel taken down for so-called adult content. The crazy part, it was just still pictures. But you can't dwell on it. You have to move forward. The stress, the sleepless nights, the constant worry. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy, but I'm still here. Most people would have quit. But this experience, it's worth more than any paycheck. It's my proof of survival. I now know what I did wrong, and more importantly, I know what I did right. I'm moving forward, smarter and stronger, and if I can do it, so can you. Thanks for listening to my story. It means a lot. If this helped you in any way, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's navigate this crazy world of content creation together. So, I'm saying this with the utmost care. Be careful. Be extremely careful. If content creation is just a hobby for you, that's totally fine. But if you want this to be your career, your escape from the 9-to-5 grind, then you need to learn the rules of the game. Live by them. And if you ever need a hand, I'm here. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, join my email list, or check out my fourth wall store. You'll find custom embroidered hats like the Grandpa Game Collection and the GPG caps, plus custom bathing suits and bikinis, all designed by me, Mario, also known as the Speaker or Flea Nasty. I'm all about being thick-skinned, authentic, and real. Honestly, I'd love to collaborate and build a team. Maybe you're a creator who just doesn't have the time to run your own channel. Send me a video, and I'll post it on mine. You'll get 60% of the revenue, automatically. We can sort out the legal details down the line. I'm always open to information, feedback, or anything you want to share. Tell me what you like, and tell me what you don't. Because at the end of the day, we should be able to agree, or agree to disagree, and still be able to sit down, share a meal, and just enjoy each other's company. Right now, I am completely overwhelmed. This is one of the greatest surprises of my life. November 8th, 2025. I will never, ever forget this day. Oh my God, I actually did it. I did it with the help of all of you, my amazing viewers, my community from YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, everywhere, and of course, my family. A huge special thanks to my grandfather, Rich, thanks to Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, to Erector Injector, and to my friend Efren, to all the YouTube groups on Facebook, my personal pages, my business pages. If I forgot anyone, please forgive me. My heart is just so full right now. I truly can't believe I've made it this far. I have to share this moment with my family, especially my grandfather. He's 90 years old, and he once told me, this is just a start. He was absolutely right. I poured my heart and soul into this. There were so many sleepless nights, so many moments of self-doubt, but I just kept trying again and again. I take full responsibility for everything because when it comes down to it, you're the only one to answer for the chaos you jump into. YouTube is a rabbit hole, a never-ending wonderland. But if you stay the course, if you refuse to quit, you can make it through. And I did. Thank you, YouTube, for making things right. The speaker has spoken. Not for applause, not for money, but for truth, for trust, honesty, and loyalty. So you can always see transparency and clarity from me, Mario, the speaker. Flea Nasty, I love you all. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.